Hello, students. It is Thursday, to September 29th, and here is our game plan for today. Let's take a look here. We're going to correct SpongeBob, so we'll get that taken care of, and then we're going to get into our graphing stations, and that will pretty much wrap up our week with Friday is short and scheduled with the Pep Fest, as well as starting our scientific method lab. So when you get back, what I need from you is I need you to turn in your SpongeBob sheet. So we'll correct as a class today 4 and 5. So just get that turned in, and that'll be graded. Do now question: what's the difference between an independent and dependent variable? So that will be our do now question of the day, talking about the difference to really push the idea home that independent versus dependent, and what is the difference between those two things. So our independent is what the scientist, is changing. The dependent is it changes on its own. It's the response to that change. Then we'll get into analyze and interpret science data and graphs. For this, what you're going to do, and you can do this, I'm guessing you probably don't have your composition notebook, so you can just do it on a sheet of notebook paper. You're going to have to pause the video as you go. So we'll title it Graphing and Analysis to Science Data, and simply, station 1, station 2, A, B, C, D, answer the questions. So pause the video on these different stations, and then you can do what it says. So some expectations: we shouldn't have more than 3 people at a station. You don't need to go in order. When you're done, sit at your assigned seat, and there's no need for technology at the stations. So here we go with station 1, station 2, station 3. And like I said, you'll pause the video for these stations so you can answer the questions. Station 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and station 9. So that is going to be the 9 different stations that we're going to have. Answer those 9 stations on a sheet of notebook paper, or if you have your composition notebook, and then we'll go and we will grade those, or go through and answer those stations on Friday when you get back, and then we'll start our lab. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you when you return. Take care.